we're going to take all of
Chicken.
you on a
Come on, the
fun-filled
chicken.
journey through a wonderful and colorful world of birds.
See?
We hope you leave the show feeling amazed by our bird conservation champions and be inspired by all our feathered friends across the world. Speaking about feathered friends, I'm very sure all of you have seen a chicken walking behind me. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, so that is known as the bantam rooster. So we have one more chicken joining
Yeah,
us.
later
His
they will
name
dance
is
the
Chucky.
the bird,
So Chucky will
the
be
parrot.
coming up from that balcony over there. So everyone keep your eyes right there. Let us welcome Chucky.
Chucky,
Our bantam
where are you,
rooster.
Chucky?
Oh,
Oh. See
hello,
the.
Chucky. You want to fly down to me over here?
Oh.
And touchdown. Let's give him a round of applause, everyone. Now, many of us think that chickens cannot fly, but that's not true. Chucky here has proven us otherwise. Okay, Chucky, I know you know your way back home. Home is all the way back to China. Okay, look at him enjoying his food right there. By the way, that bird with Chucky, that's not part of the show. He's there to take Chucky's food. Chucky, come on, one more flight all the way back home. There you go. Good job. So now let's all highlight the natural behaviors of macaws. Macaws in the wild, they love to congregate
the
on
Chucky
palm
bird.
trees to
See the
feast
Chucky
on
bird.
fruits or nuts.
Lying.
Right here we have a tree with fruits and nuts attached for a bird. So everyone,
Look,
keep your
look, this
eyes
side,
right
this side.
back there.
Yes. Look,
Let us
this side.
welcome Maya,
Usaya.
our hyacinth macaw, and joining Gaia will be Adrian,
Oh, that's
our
one.
scarlet macaw. Now macaws like them, they can be found in the forest of South America. Coming back to Gaia, Gaia here is our hyacinth macaw, and hyacinth macaws, they are the largest in the macaw family. So if you want to see more parrots like Gaia and Adrian,